am single. I am from Marquetalia, Caldas. I am 21 years old. I am a worker. And I am studying public accounting at UNAD. I live in Marquetalia, Caldas. In my free time, I like to go for a walk with my dog, and sometimes spend time with some of my friends. There are some great stories in my town, so in my free time, I like to go there and eat in mi city Pueblito Paisa, Balneario La Playa, and Maderos. The typical food in my city is lechona, and in my city, it can good for a walk, visiting some beautiful place with a lot of pretty landscapes, and a lot of times that you might come and try it be yourself.